Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Tuesday. I'm excited. It has been a very long time since I did flowers in resin, piping flowers in resin, and I've seen quite a few YouTube videos pop up on my channel of other people doing resin flowers, and I'm itching for it. I want it again so bad. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm excited. I picked out some pink mica powder. I'm not typically a pink person, but nevertheless I figured that I could do that. So I've also got my casting craft. This is gonna be for the piping. Now, one thing I wanted to try, right, is I wanted to try adding just the tiniest amount of mica powder to the white. I don't know if it's going to work. We'll see. But either way, I want to try it and see what it does. Also, the pink, I'm going to try to get around the edge here. So I think what I want to do is I want to pour the clear and then add some of the pink mixed in, right? Some of the pink mica powder around the edges. Let that kind of go in on itself. And then once the white has had time to warm up and get a little bit thicker, that's when I'll go in and add the flower. I'm not going to back these. It's just going to be clear all the way through, other than whatever this mica powder does to it. I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. I'm excited. I got my piping bag. I've got my molds here. So let's get some resin mixed up and get pouring. Let's hang out. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. It's going to be kind of boring. I had some clear left and I decided to drop some of the white in there and then just kind of swirl it around. Well, we'll see. Okay. I mean, I know what I'm thinking it looks like, but it's okay. It's a moth, in case you couldn't tell. But yeah, that's today's very interesting bonus unmolding. Alright guys, I'm excited to see how this turned out. I can tell you that this resin was getting very hot. Yeah. We'll see. Hopefully it stayed cool enough long enough to like allow the petals to spread. I do like the color. I think the color turned out great. Alright, are we ready? Yeah. It did not spread as much as I would have hoped. It's still real pretty, but yeah, I'm a little disappointed. I do like the fact that the pink created those drips that I've been trying to create for frickin' ages now. Yeah, I like them. I do like them. They look very, look, they're 3D objects because they're 3D in real life. But they give off depth is what I'm trying to say when I say they look 3D. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, I like them. Hopefully you guys do too. If you enjoyed this, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.